Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Turtsat token. Now Turt is obviously short for turtle and Sat is short for Satoshi, and this is on having to do with the BRC-20 network here. That is, we'll get into that about Ordinals and Satoshis and all that in a second. Ticker symbol is Turt, T-U-R-T, and this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange starting December 8th. We're going to go over the information on the Turtsat token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, although this token has to do with a BRC-20, it is on the Ethereum blockchain. Ticker symbol is TURT. So far, they have 2,751 holders, according to their Etherscan, 18 decimal places on this token, and a max total supply of 372,082,747 tokens. Now, this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global, starting December 8th at 14 hours UTC time. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search TURT, and then simply just buy the token. Now, Turtsat is a community-driven open platform for Ordinals with a mission to become the Gitcoin of Ordinals, providing a space for everyone to build, donate, and impact Ordinals and BRC-20 through Turtsat. The platform will feature a fundamental donation protocol, enabling more open source developers and communities to participate in the ecological development of Ordinals and enjoy the benefits. Now, they have a Telegram you could follow at Turtsat, which has over 10,000 members on it, 10,674 members right now. 556 online, so they have a really decent sized Telegram community if you want to join that. They also have a Twitter, and as always, I'm going to put their Twitter up on the screen right here. There's tons of information on their Twitter. 329 tweets so far, 36,400 Twitter followers, and a very brand new project. They just joined Twitter in May 2023, and as you can see on their Twitter, there's a bunch of links. They have a Discord channel you could join to get involved with the chat there. They have a link to the Telegram I just mentioned. And then they have a link to their webpage, turtsat.io. And in their most recent tweet, just from 1 hour ago, they retweeted basically their new Mexc Global listing announcement. Now, also, if you go to their webpage, you can also find other links to like Medium articles and whatnot. So introducing Turtsat, the open platform revolutionizing Ordinals with a community-led innovation. Ordinals, the innovation of the Bitcoin network. While Bitcoin has traditionally been known as a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, the recent excitement in the crypto world has been centered around smart contracts. Compared to Ethereum, which is often referred to as a world computer, The Bitcoin network has been limited in its application due to the lack of smart contract functions. However, the innovation of Bitcoin has never stopped. With the introduction of technologies such as the Lightning Network and stacks, the Ordinals protocol and BRC-20 token standard have opened up a new chapter for Bitcoin digital assets. This new protocol and standard share the same anonymous, decentralized, and regulation-resistant nature as Bitcoin, and are expected to revolutionize blockchain assets management while also creating new opportunities for Bitcoin applications. We believe that this will enrich the Bitcoin ecosystem, drive tech development, and lead to a greater value realization. So the introduction of the Ordinals protocol by KCEX has opened up new possibilities for the Bitcoin network with the ability to natively create NFTs and Ordinals, allowing for the attachment of arbitrary assets such as NFTs, security tokens, accounts, and stablecoins to Satoshis using Ordinals as stable identifiers. This has led to an influx of new builders participating in building Bitcoin's future, ushering in a new era of growth and innovation. Projects such as Yuga Labs and Magic Eden have already begun experimenting with Ordinals, and the ecosystem has grown at an unprecedented rate. In just 3 months, the Ordinals ecosystem has generated over 4.75 million inscriptions, 839 BTC in paid fees, and over 450,000 user engagement. This is just the beginning of what is sure to be an exciting journey for the Bitcoin network and the Ordinals protocol. So based on the Bitcoin's network native Ordinals protocol, Domo Data has issued the first Bitcoin network token protocol, BRC-20, using the Ordinals protocol. So the path ahead, Ordinals has opened the new door for the Bitcoin ecosystem, generating interest from institutions, developers, and investors alike. So in comes Turtsat, a community-led open platform for Ordinals with a mission to become the Gitcoin of the Ordinals world, where anyone can build, donate, and influence Bitcoin Ordinals and BRC-20 through Turtsat. While Turtsat, we're just building the basic donation protocol that will enable more open source developers and communities to participate in the ecological construction of Ordinals and gain the benefits. Our vision is to create a world shaped by positive community-led change on Ordinals, partnering with some of the most influential organizations to drive the future of Ordinals and the protocol of the Bitcoin ecosystem. Join us on this exciting journey to shape the future of Ordinals. So for builders, you can apply for initial funding assistance for your innovative startup project and boost its impact. Request technical expertise from the builder community to enhance your project's long-term sustainability. Accelerate your progress with the comprehensive toolkit and robust infrastructure designed for Ordinal builders. And for users, you can engage in decentralized decision-making processes, including project endorsement and Turtsat operations. Choose, vote, or donate to empower Ordinals open source projects from around the world. Get involved and reap the rewards from workflow assignments and early stage project development. So there's going to be the public donation protocols, open source infrastructure platform, a community of Ordinal believers, etc. And you can check all this out on their official webpage, turtsat.io. Follow their socials, check out their Twitter right there, and you can find this token, TURT, newly listed December 8th at 14 hours UTC time on Mexc Global. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there, and thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.